Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stage of the nail art design we're going to be working on this week. The first thing I did was I painted my toes with a red nail polish, and the one that I use is by Clean Colors and it's number 81 and it's called Red Alert. And the rest of the design I will be using acrylic water paints to do that with. I'm not going to add any crystals or anything like that on my toes this week. I'm just going to use acrylic water paints. And the colors that I'll be using is black and white. Those are the only two colors I will be using. So that is basically it for this toe art design. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.